out in the lakes once more, and this time our objective is Kirk Fell. So we've just parked on the green in Wasdale Head, wandered through the farms, and we're just starting to climb up to Beck Head, which is between Great Gable and Kirk Fell. It looks horrendously steep from here. It's not a path I've ever been on before, so we will find out. So Kirk Fell, just the one hill today. The weather is still horrendously hot. We had one of the hottest days of the year yesterday. It's supposed to be a bit fresher, but we will see. It's still only 6 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, plenty of day to come. Let's go see what it's like. Of the day, and that great view down Wasdale. Just beautiful with the sun on the farmland coming over the fells. Just lovely. Right, I just want to say a huge thank you to whoever put those steps in on that last bit, because without them it would have been a real struggle. So we've just done a slight left and we're going to be skirting around Gable now up towards Beck Head and a rest, possibly in the sun. So we're up at Beck Head and out into the sun, and what we've got in front of us is absolutely stunning. So I'll just show you that now. How about that? It's Ennerdale down there, Ennerdale water around the corner. And what we're looking at down there is High Style, High Crag. This bumpy one is Haystacks. And coming around here is Brandreth. And then over the back, Fleetwith Pike, Dale Head, Hinesgarth, Robinson, is it Whiteless Pike, Wandhope, Grassmore. Stunning. This is our next challenge at that little scree slope, and then that'll be the top of Kirk Fell. Okay, we're at the top of the rocky bit, out onto the grass, and thankful for that, to be honest. That was tough. Practically blown off the hill here, but I will give you the views anyway. So here we have, down there's Ewbarrow, and then Middle Fell behind it, and over the back, Seedallen. This one with a cliff here is Red Pike, and then Haycock, Steeple sticking out from behind the ridge, Scout Fell, and this big one here is Pillar. Down in there is the Ennerdale Valley, and the other side of that, High Style, High Crag, and then coming around to this bumpy one at the bottom here, this is Haystacks. Behind that we've got Grassmoor, Whiteless Breast, Want Hope, what's that one, Robinson, Hindscarth, Fleetwood Pike, Dale Head, and at the back that's the Skiddaw range, so Skiddaw, Little Man, Lonsdale Fell and Blencathra right at the very back. Coming on round at the back there, that's the Helvellyn range, all of those. And again we've got Green Gable, Great Gable. Over the back of there, Langdale Pikes, and then the Kirkfell range. So it's got to be one of the best views in the Lake District, I would think. Finally down out of the wind.
Whew,
yeah, that was a bit fierce. That's the first.
Yeah, quite a cold wind too, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. No, I didn't like the wind. So we're on our way down to Blacksail Pass, and then back down into Wasdale. But we've just sort of arrived at, you know, the really steep bit, and realised we can see. I don't know if you can see it in the GoPro because it does such a wide angle, but there's the Blacksail hut down there, the most remote youth hostel in the country, with haystacks behind it. Right, so we're going over there. You can probably see the path that goes on and up to Pillar, but we're going to get down to that pass and then do a left and back down to Wasdale. Down at Blacksail Pass. So I put the camera away for that, for obvious reasons, when I show you what we've just come down, and this is only the bottom half of the route. So the last little bit is a scree path, but basically you're down scrambling that lot. So what we've got to do now is walk back down from Blacksail Pass down into Wasdale and go and find a beer. We're back down to the fell wall now. So I'm going to sign off here. I'll leave you with this view of Pillar behind me, with Mosedale leading up to it. Thank you very much for watching. It's been a good day. I've enjoyed this one. The way up to Beck Head, quite tough really, but yeah, interesting walk. Maybe we'll do it again one day. In the meantime, don't forget to like, press the bell, make a comment if you've got any questions or need any answers. Nice comments, obviously. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.